Okay, we've got to make a correction on the parachutes. We have to make a correction on the parachutes. That wind up there.
That's good though. We're still going to be able to get that bad boy. It might just be right on that tree.
Let me see your rocket. Turn that on. We got to make
it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold it.
Three, 2, 1.
That'll be great.
Is that chute opened up, Dave?
No, it's like a balloon.
It's what?
It's like a balloon. It's closed at the bottom.
So the wire did hold, right?
Yep.
Yeah. That's an easy recovery right there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yep.
Is it good? It's good. It's right there. Oh, yeah, there it is. Did we have all 3 fins? I hope all the fins made it. I'll never get a picture of that. I'll be in the open. Oh, yeah. That'll be on the runway. Hold on.
I'll have it. I've got it here.
Is there a way that I can get that video of that from you?
Yep. Go to flickr.com. No E in Flickr.
I'm going to email you later for that type of stuff.
Okay.
In one ear and out the other to me.
Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold it down.
Go ahead, man.
Almost done. Yeah.
What?
I have a picture for you.
Oh, you got my keys. I forgot about that. Why can't you hold on?
Because my pocket's empty.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Little wiggly.
You got a phone?
Yeah. You got Lauren.
Keep looking at this. Get your phone out. You see this thing going down?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa!
That's a no. What's going on? That's a no. There's going on.
I still got it. Coming down. We got an event.
No, oh, you got that one?
Yep, I got it.
Oh, there it is. Where? Where?
Look at my camera. Look at my camera.
Right there. I see it.
I see it too.
Bang.
I can get that.
Listen, I can go
If
get
y'all
that.
start walking down,
No, don't recover until they tell you to.
it's coming closer.
This may come right back to you.
Yeah, throw it back. Come on. Come on, throw it back.
Yeah, y'all lucky.
Yes, throw it back. We know which one going to friendship.
I know exactly which one's going to friendship. So you ain't gonna like that.
Come on.
There we go. Yay! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amen.
Hey, Birdie.
Oh, yeah, here.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
We got someone looking for his.
Maybe we'll find that one.
We're walking over there. Oh, crap.
Oh, God dang it.
2,
1.
So everybody needs to back up on the other side of the taxi line. All the way on the other side. Back up. Ladies, y'all gonna have to back up back here. Cowboy, get your rocket. Five, 4,
2, 1. Missing the boat, missing the boat.
There you go. Right into the sun. I'm not sure your drogue's actually open. There's the main.
Right to it.